He has lived in Japan for a long time. Back home, small polite habits were just part of daily life. Holding a door, giving up your seat, saying something kind. He still tries to do most of those things here. One afternoon, he met a Japanese friend for lunch at a café. The friend's wife came too. They arrived at the same time. He got to the door first. He held it open. He let her go in first, then his friend. His friend looked at him as he walked in. He said, ladies first, right? It was a small smile, not a question. They found a table near the window. The cafe was quiet and not too busy. Lunch was good. They talked for a long time. After lunch, his friend went to pay the bill. The friend's wife started to stand up. Her jacket had slipped off the back of her chair. Without thinking, he stepped over and held her jacket open for her. She paused for a moment. She thought, "This is nice." Then she put her arms in and said, "Thank you." A staff member nearby saw it. She looked up and said, "Wow," quietly. His friend came back and saw the look on everyone's faces. He laughed a little. He said she was surprised, because she was. But she would have been even more surprised if he did it. On the way home, he thought about it. Small things like that aren't big, but people notice. He still holds doors. He still gives up his seat on the train. He still says something when a friend looks nice. Just being polite.